Educate yourself. Learn about the different types of cancer, their symptoms, risk factors, and treatments. This empowers you to share accurate information. Recognize symptoms. Common symptoms like unexplained weight loss, persistent fatigue, changes in bowel habits, or unusual lumps should be discussed widely. Healthy lifestyle. Encourage a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while avoiding processed foods and sugary drinks. Regular exercise. Physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces cancer risk. Aim for at least 30 minutes daily. Avoid tobacco. Smoking and chewing tobacco are leading causes of cancer. Promote cessation programs and resources. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is linked to several cancers. Moderation is key. Protect against UV rays. Encourage the use of sunscreen and protective clothing to prevent skin cancer. Avoid tanning beds. Vaccination. Promote vaccines like HPV for cervical cancer and hepatitis B for liver cancer. Regular screenings. Advocate for routine screenings such as mammograms, pap smears, colonoscopies, and prostate exams. Self-exams. Teach techniques for self-exams like breast or testicular self-examinations. Know your family history. Acknowledge genetic predispositions and discuss preventive options with healthcare providers. Organize events, host seminars, walks, or workshops to spread awareness in schools, offices, or communities. Share stories. Survivors' stories can inspire and educate others. Leverage social media. Use platforms to share facts, videos, and resources about cancer. Create hashtags to increase visibility. Partner with organizations. Collaborate with cancer foundations or local healthcare providers for resources and outreach. Support groups. Create or join groups for patients, survivors, and caregivers. Mental health resources. Address the emotional toll of cancer with counseling and stress management strategies. Financial assistance. Share information about financial aid for treatments. Raise funds. Organize fundraisers for cancer research and patient care. Policy support. Advocate for government programs focused on cancer research, affordable care, and preventive measures. Childhood cancer awareness. Share unique symptoms and treatment challenges specific to children. Men's and women's cancers. Highlight gender-specific cancers like prostate and cervical cancer to address specific needs. Employee wellness programs can be a powerful tool. Incorporating cancer prevention education into these initiatives can make a big difference. Partnering with healthcare providers to offer on-site cancer screenings is another effective strategy. And hosting educational workshops on recognizing early symptoms and reducing risk factors is crucial. Engaging the community is essential. Collaborating with religious institutions for faith-based outreach can help spread awareness and offer support. Neighborhood campaigns using local events, fairs, and gatherings are great ways to share information about cancer prevention and resources. Tailoring campaigns to resonate with specific cultural or ethnic groups ensures culturally relevant messaging, leading to better engagement. Media can play a pivotal role in raising awareness. Working with TV and radio stations to air public service announcements about cancer is highly effective. Writing articles or creating infographics for newspapers, magazines, and newsletters can reach a wide audience. Additionally, developing apps or websites dedicated to cancer education and early detection reminders leverages digital tools for maximum impact. Health education. Integrate cancer prevention into the curriculum, focusing on tobacco use diet and physical activity. Student ambassadors. Empower students to lead awareness campaigns among peers. Annual events. Organize activities like a Cancer Awareness Day with engaging games, talks, and screenings. Mobile clinics. Bring cancer screening and education services to remote regions. Training community health workers. Equip local volunteers with basic knowledge to educate and guide their communities. Language-appropriate materials. Develop resources in local languages and dialects. Raise awareness about cancers that often get less attention, like pancreatic, oral, or rare types of cancer. Promote symptoms and risk factors that people may not readily associate with cancer. Themed events. Organize charity runs, bake sales, or art auctions themed around cancer awareness. Corporate sponsorships. Partner with businesses to fundraise while spreading awareness. Virtual campaigns. Use crowdfunding platforms and virtual marathons to raise funds globally. AI and data analytics. Support tech-based initiatives to predict cancer trends and personalize awareness campaigns. Wearable tech. Promote wearable devices for health tracking that can alert users to potential risks. virtual support networks, create online forums or social media groups for cancer patients and caregivers. Challenge myths. Dispel common misconceptions about cancer through fact-based education. Promote survivor stories. Share testimonials that emphasize hope and resilience. Normalize discussions. Encourage open conversations about cancer within families and communities. Toxins and carcinogens. Educate about reducing exposure to harmful chemicals like asbestos or benzene. Air quality. Advocate for policies to reduce pollution, which is linked to lung and other cancers. Healthy homes. Promote radon testing and safe water supplies in residential areas. Skill training. Offer workshops to help caregivers manage the physical and emotional demands of cancer care. Respite services. Provide information on respite care to prevent caregiver burnout. Financial guidance. Share resources for managing medical costs and accessing insurance. Access to treatment. Push for laws that ensure affordable and equitable access to cancer treatment. Tobacco regulation. Support stricter policies on tobacco advertising, taxation, and sales to minors. Research funding. Advocate for increased public funding for cancer research. Survivor celebrations. Host events that honor cancer survivors and their journeys. Remembrance events. Hold candlelight vigils or tribute walks to honor those lost to cancer. Legacy programs. Establish scholarships or community initiatives in memory of loved ones.